Hey there, WooCommerce warriors. Ever feel like you're working hard but the money jar just isn't filling up? Let's get on track with your WooCommerce shop's cost of goods. My name is Jeff and welcome to Sleekr Digital. Welcome to this course where we're diving deep into the wonderful world of WooCommerce cost of goods. We're here to give you all the tools you need to unlock your shop's profitability superpowers. This course is all about understanding exactly how much it costs you to sell each product. No more guessing. We'll demystify things like product cost, profit, and revenue, so you can finally see the real story behind those sales numbers. Think of it as giving your business X-ray vision. So, what's in store for you? Overview of the plugin and its purpose. Benefits of tracking cost of goods for profitability analysis. Understanding how the plugin calculates cost, profit, and revenue. Exploring the key features of the plugin. Cost of goods field. Automatic cost calculation, profitability reports. We will be understanding the benefits of tracking your cost of goods and discover all the key features of the plugin. That's the cost of goods field, the automatic cost calculation, and how to get the most out of the reports. You will be using the reports and insights to help your business to increase efficiency and make better decisions based on data. Get ready to take control of your profit margins and run a more successful data-driven WooCommerce store. Let's do this. Get ready to learn how to track your cost of goods like a pro. So buckle up and let's get started.